Hi, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Pico W lesson number 4, in which he asked us to do something pretty using some LEDs. I'm using Pico 0 because it's a lot easier. You don't have to define them as out and everything like that. And I'm using 16 LEDs. I'm putting in an array, and I'm using GPIO 0 to 15 because it makes the setup easier. So there we have it. I'm just setting it up in an array. And then I decided to make it more random by shuffling the LEDs. So I'm going through all the LEDs and I'm swapping each LED with one of the other ones randomly. And after I've done that, I just go into the while true loop. When is true, true, true is always true, and it will go on until I press Ctrl C, and I'm generating a random number between 0 and the maximum number that can be displayed, so that the different pins will come on. And then I'm just setting the values of each pin like that. Now, there's nothing really very interesting about this code, apart from the way I'm shuffling. I'm swapping two values over, and that statement looks very strange. So I'll just show you something. Now, normally, if you have A equals apple, for example, B equals banana, if you want to swap them over, you have to go temp equals A equals B equals temp, and then if you go A is banana, B is apple. But in Python, they've come up with this very sneaky way of doing it. I've never seen another language that does it like this. So we'll start again. We'll go A equals, apple, B equals banana. Then you just go A, B equals B, A. Now A is banana, B is apple. How cool is that? Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. And that's what you can do it with a value in an array like that. And just one other thing, instead of, when I was going through the LEDs, instead of going for J in range len LEDs, that's quite a nice way of doing it, for J, LED, enumerate LEDs. If you didn't need the index, which is in J, you can just go for LED in LEDs. Well, anyway, that's how it is. Nothing more to report on. I'll just turn the light out so we can see better. I'll run the program. Now, it doesn't look that great. In fact, you can see almost better in the reflection down here of what colours are doing it, but something pretty. Control C, off they jolly well go, and that's my program.